Hello, today we will guide you through how to AD candle countdown timer in MetaTrader 5 mobile app. If you want to see exactly how much time is left before the current candle closes, turning on the candle countdown timer can be very helpful. It gives you a clearer view of timing on your chart, especially if you are watching short time frames or waiting for a candle to finish before making a decision. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and show you where to find this option in the MetaTrader 5 mobile app. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the main navigation and charting sections. Starting from the home screen of the app makes the rest of the process much easier. Next, tap on Chart at the bottom left of the screen. This takes you into the chart view, where you can see price movement and access chart-related settings. If you are currently on another tab, such as Quotes, Trade, or History, switching to the chart section is important because the countdown timer setting is located inside the chart options. Once you are on the chart screen, look for the settings icon and tap it. This opens the chart settings menu where you can adjust how information appears on your chart. Depending on your screen size or app version, the icon may appear small, so it helps to look carefully before tapping. After the settings menu opens, scroll down toward the bottom. The countdown option is not usually at the top, so keep scrolling until you reach the lower part of the settings list. Moving slowly here can help you avoid passing it by. When you find the countdown bar option, tap it to turn it on. Once enabled, the candle countdown timer will appear on your chart, allowing you to track the remaining time left in the current candle. This can be especially useful when you want more precise timing while monitoring market activity. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the candle countdown timer in the MetaTrader 5 mobile app. If you do not see the change right away, return to the chart and give it a quick moment to refresh. This small setting can make chart reading more convenient and improve timing awareness while trading.